Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate server management with DigitalOcean, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your DigitalOcean account. Create a new droplet by clicking on the Create button in the top right corner. Select your desired operating system from the list. Choose a plan that meets your server requirements. Select the data center region closest to your target audience. Configure additional options like backups or monitoring if necessary. Click Create Droplet to launch your server. Once your droplet is created, note down its IP address for connection purposes. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use SSH to connect to your droplet by entering SSH root at your _droplet_IP. Input your password when prompted to log in. Update your server packages by running apt-get update and apt-get upgrade. Install necessary server management tools like Ansible or Docker. To install Ansible, run apt-get install Ansible on your server. Create an inventory file for Ansible to identify managed servers. Add your droplet's IP address to the inventory file. Test your Ansible setup with a simple command like Ansible ping your _inventory file. To automate tasks, create a playbook by defining your server configurations. Include tasks such as package installations, user setups, and firewall configurations in your playbook. Run your Ansible playbook with the command Ansible playbook _inventory file For Docker, install it using apt-get install docker.io. Start the Docker service by running system-start docker. To automate container deployments, write a Docker file that specifies your application's environment. Build your Docker image with the command docker build t your _image name. Run your container using docker run dp host _port, container _port your _image name. Consider using Cloud Init for initial server configuration on droplet creation. Access Cloud Init by adding a user data script during the droplet creation process. This script can automate package installations and other configurations right after the server initializes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.